In this video, we will guide you on how to test FraudLabs Pro fraud prevention plugin in Shopware and view fraud analysis for your orders. Log into your FraudLabs Pro merchant dashboard and go to the Rules tab. You'll see 5 default rules already set up once you sign up for a free plan. You can customize these rules to fit your needs. For this demo, we'll test the visitor IP address equals to anonymous proxy rule that flags orders placed for a review using an anonymous IP address. Visit your Shopware online store by using an anonymous IP. Add an item to your cart, then proceed to checkout. Fill in the shipping information and continue. Review the order and click Submit Order. The order is placed successfully. Go back to your Shopware admin dashboard. Navigate to Orders, Overview and open the recent order you placed. Go to the Details tab and scroll down to Custom Fields. Here, you'll see a summary of the fraud check in the internal note field, including a fraud score and validation status such as Approve, Review, or Reject. This order is triggered for a manual review with a fraud score of 96. Let's click the link to view the full fraud analysis on the FraudLabs Pro merchant area. This fraud analysis shows data like fraud score, IP geolocation, order details, triggered rules and more. In our case, the order was flagged for review because it was placed using a proxy IP, just like we configured. With real-time fraud screening and flexible rule settings, you're now equipped to spot and stop fraud before it hits your bottom line. Start protecting your store today by using FraudLabs Pro.